Take a ride in the 2016 GMC YUKON XL. GMC YUKON XL is a great choice for families who need a full-size SUV with maximum seating. The looks don't hurt either. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power passenger seat, tow hitch, power liftgate, lane departure warning, keyless entry, remote engine start, anti-lock braking system, traction control, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, DVD system, backup camera, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, power steering, adjustable steering wheel, cruise control, floor mats, four-wheel disc brakes. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.